Hello everyone. In last class we have discussed about the curve fitting concept. Along with we have given some basic concepts based on regression and coefficient of correlation, lines of regression of y on x and lines of regression of x on y. Now first you go through with that basic concept videos. Now next we will move to the remaining concept, that is remaining additional problems. First let us discuss what is meant by curl Pearson coefficient of correlation. Okay, now curl Pearson coefficient of correlation, or R, it stands for same, that is R equal to summation of capital XY divided by square root of summation capital X square into square root of summation y square. What is capital X? That is nothing but x minus x bar, and capital Y is nothing but y minus y bar, where x bar and y bar are here represents mean of x and y respectively. That is x bar equal to sum of x divided by number of observation n. Similarly, y bar is nothing but summation y by n. Now let us move to one problem under this. Compute the coefficient of correlation for the following data. They have given here x values 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30, and y values 18, 12, 24, 6, 30, 36. Okay, we need to find R. How to find R? Summation capital XY by square root of summation x square into square root of summation y square. To find capital X, we need x bar, because capital X is nothing but small x minus x bar. Now how to find a small x bar? Add all the x values, that is 10 plus 14 plus 18 plus 22 plus 26 plus 30 divided by n. N means number of observations. Here how many n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 set of observation given here. So totally we will get 120 divided by 6. That is x bar equal to 20. Now similarly compute y bar. What is y bar? Summation y by n. 18 plus 12 plus 24 plus 6 plus 30 plus 36 whole divided by 6. We will get 126 divided by 6. Its value is 21. Now compute capital X and capital Y. What is capital X? X minus x bar, and capital Y is y minus y bar. Now once again construct a table and continue with that. That is what, see here, x whatever they have given table values, you write the same. Even y also you have to write the same. But to find capital X, you have to write one more table, that is x minus x bar, one more column in the table. Capital X equal to x minus x bar, but x bar is what? 20, we have seen already. Now x minus 20. 10 minus 20, that is minus 10. 14 minus 20, that is minus 6. 18 minus 20, minus 2. So 22 minus 22, 26 minus 26, and 30 minus 20 is 10. Find out capital X. Now find out here small y already given. Find capital Y. Y means y minus y bar. But y bar is 21. We have already found, right? So 18 minus 21 minus 3. 12 minus 21 minus 9. 24 minus 21 3. 6 minus 21, that is minus 15. 30 minus 21 9. 36 minus 21, that is 15. Okay, after finding capital X and capital Y, what and all we require, that you have to compute. Okay, otherwise simply do not compute the sum of all those things. We need summation xy. So we need to find capital XY product. Okay, be careful with the table. We want product of capital X into capital Y. So minus 10 into minus 3, that is 30. Minus 6 into minus 9, that is 54. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. 2 into minus 15, that is minus 30. 6 into 9, that is 54. 10 into 15, 150. Now compute the sum of this summation xy. What we will get? 220, so 252. Now find out capital X square, because we need summation x square and summation y square. Its square would be required. Now find capital X square first. Minus 10 whole square is 100, minus 6 whole square is 36, minus 2 whole square is 4, 2 whole square is 4, 6 whole square is 36, 10 whole square is 100. Now find the sum of this, will get 280. Now again, y square, minus 3 whole square is 9, minus 9 whole square is 81, 3 square is 9, minus 15 whole square is 225, 9 whole square is 81. Now 15 whole square is 225. If you compute the sum, we will get summation y square equal to 630, right? Now what is coefficient of correlation? R equal to summation capital XY divided by square root of summation x square into square root of summation y square. Now substitute the values. What we got, the summation xy 252 divided by root summation x square is root 280 and root summation y square is 630. Now if you simplify this, we will get coefficient of correlation R equal to 0.6. Okay. Now we need to, sometime we can find the value of R with the help of some alternative formula, that also we have given in the previous slides. Once again look at here, alternative formula for R. What is R? Sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma z square divided by 2 sigma x into sigma y. Okay, now sigma x square is nothing but summation x square by n minus x bar whole square. Similarly, how will you write sigma y square? Summation y square by n minus y bar whole square. Similarly, sigma z square is summation z square by n minus z bar whole square. But here they will give you the table x and y only. How to compute z? Z is nothing but x minus y. That you have to remember. Okay. Now that only we have explained here. Now how to find the lines of regression of x on y? Again, this explanation already given in previous videos. Everyone refer that videos. Now just here we have given the points along with the additional problems. So lines of regression of x on y, how to write? Capital X equal to summation capital XY divided by summation capital Y square into capital Y. Similarly, how can you write the lines of regression of y on x? Instead of x on y, here y on x. So just interchange the role of x and y. Here y equal to summation xy same. Here divide by summation x square. Here capital X. But what is capital X and capital Y? That is x minus x bar, and capital Y is y minus y bar. Similarly here y minus y bar, here x minus x bar. Rest all same. Okay. Now alternative formula for lines of regression of x on y, that only here we can write it in the form of x minus x bar equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. See, this r into sigma x by sigma y is nothing but this only. Okay, summation xy by summation y square. Okay, that itself is r into sigma x by sigma y. Similarly, how can we write this? Y minus y bar equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. See here. Okay, so these are the 2-3 methods are there. You can refer anyone properly. For some problem, this method is easy. See here, find the regression line of y on x for the following data and estimate y when x equal to 10. Here they have given small x, small y. Now we need to find lines of regression, right? That is y on x and x on y. For that, first compute x bar. That is what? Summation x by n. That is sum of x values divided by number of observations. Here number of observations are 8. So we will get x bar equal to 7. Similarly, how to find y bar? Summation y by n. That is add all these things divided by number of observation. We will get 5. Okay. Now construct a table, that is x, y. Capital X is nothing but small x minus x bar and capital Y is nothing but y minus y bar. We have already found this. Now to find the value of r, we require what? Summation xy. So find out the product of x and y. Minus 6 into minus 4. Similarly, minus 4 into minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. So like this, you have to compute the product. Then we will get summation xy is 84. Next, we need capital X square and capital Y square. Now compute the square of this. Minus 6 whole square is 36. Similarly, minus 4 whole square is 16. Minus 3 whole square is 9, and so on. So it's the whole square you have to take. Then find the sum of this. That is, we will get 132. Next, similarly find y square. That is what? Here we will get 56 summation. Okay, what is regression of y on x? That is y minus y bar equal to here, or capital Y equal to summation xy by summation x square into capital X, or capital Y can be written in the form y minus y bar equal to this summation xy is what? 84 divided by summation x square is what? 132, and capital X is nothing but x minus x bar. Now we got y bar and x bar value already, that is x bar is 7 and y bar is 5, we already found. So y minus 5 equal to 84 by 132 into x minus 7. Now first you simplify this part. 84 by 132 is what? 0.636 we will get. So y minus 5 equal to 0.636 into x, then minus 0.636 into 7, we will get what? 4.452. Now what is y value? This value write as it is. This minus 5, if you take this side, it will be plus 5. 5 minus 4.452, we will get like this. Okay, now at the end what we need to find? We need to find y when x equal to 10. Put x equal to 10 in this expression. It will convert to y equal to 0.636 into 10 minus 0.548. We will get 5.812 is the answer. Okay, now let us move to the next problem. Compute the coefficient of correlation for the equation of lines of regression. Here given the data, see x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here n stands for number of observation, that is 10 here. And what is given here? Y 10, 12, 16, 28, 25, 36, 41, 49, 50, and so 40 and 50 given. Now find x bar, that is summation x by n. Add all this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like that. 55 divided by n means number of observations, here given 10, that is 5.5 we will get. Similarly find y bar. What is y bar? Summation y by n, that is 10 plus 12 plus 16 plus 28, all those things you have to add, divided by 10. That is, we will get 307 divided by 10. Here you will get 30.7. And what is meant by z here? Summation z by n. What is summation z? You have to compute x minus y, that is 1 minus 10, that is minus 9. Minus 9, then minus 10, minus 13, like that you have to find. X minus y gives z. Similarly z bar is nothing but summation z by n. We will get here negative value because all our y values are maximum here, right? So we will get minus 252 divided by 10. What is z? X minus y. Okay, so we will get minus 252 by 10, that is minus 25.2. Now computer table. Write x, y, z, and we need what? X square, y square, z square. Now find x, y already given. What is z? X minus y. Find 1 minus 10 is minus 9, 2 minus 12 is minus 10, and so on. You will get a minus 252. Then here you have to find x square. What is x square? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, like that you have to write. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. You will get 385 sum. Similarly find y square. 10 square is 100, 12 square is 144, 16 square is 256 and so on, right? And add, you will get 11,387. How to find z square? Again, its square, minus 9 whole square minus 10 whole square and so on. So we will get 7624. Now compute sigma x square. How to find sigma x square? Summation x square by n minus x bar whole square. What is summation x square here? 7624 divided by, sorry, by mistake here, summation x square is nothing but 385 divided by n means 10 minus x bar whole square. X bar already we have seen here in the previous slide, 5.5, right? Now use that here, 5.5 whole square, you will get 8.25. Similarly compute sigma y square. What is sigma y square? That is summation y square by n minus y bar whole square. Find, you will get 196.21. Similarly sigma z square, how to find? Summation z square divided by n minus z bar whole square, we will get minus 127.36. Now after finding out this sigma x square, sigma y square, sigma z square, we need to find sigma x and sigma y, because R stands for sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma z square divided by 2 sigma x into sigma y. This is the formula. So what is sigma x? Square root of 8.25. We will get 2.87, and sigma y is root 196.31. We will get 14.01. Now replace here. You will get the final value r equal to 0.96. Okay. Now after finding this, you have to compute lines of regression of x on y and y on x. Now what is the formula to compute the lines of regression of x on y? X minus x bar equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. That is x minus x bar is nothing but 5.5 equal to r means 0.96 into sigma x is nothing but 2.87, sigma y is nothing but 14.01, then y minus y bar is 30.7. Now simplify this, 2.87 by 14.07, multiply with this, you will get x minus 5.5 equal to 0.197y minus 0.197 into 30.7. So we require x because we want x on y. X equal to this one as it is, but here you can multiply this and this minus 5.5, you consider this side, it will be plus 5.5. Finally we will get, this is the answer, that is regression line of x on y. That is we have to express x in terms of y. Now similarly we have to compute what? Y on x. Now to compute regression lines of y on x, y minus y bar equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. That is y minus 30.7 equal to r is nothing but 0.96 into, here sigma y is nothing but 14.61 divided by 2.87 into x minus 5.5. Now simplify and multiply each term, then minus 30.7, if you take this side, it will give us y equal to 4.886x minus 3.827. That is y on x means you have to express y in terms of x. Okay, so these are the problems under regression line. Once again, one more problem we will discuss. Now find the coefficient of correlation and the equation of lines of regression for the following. Again x given 1 2 3 4 5, y given 2 5 3 8 7. First find x bar. How to find x bar? Summation x by n. Add all this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by n means number of observation, here 5. So what is x bar? 3. What is y bar? Find. So 25 by 5, we will get a 5. Now what is z bar? That is z is nothing but x minus y. We have to compute here. See, x given summation x, y given summation y, then z means x minus y, that is 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, then 4 minus 8 is minus 4, 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So we will get z value, then add all this, you will get minus 10. Similarly find x square, y square, z square. Just square this x square Here we'll get summation x square is 55. Similarly, find summation y square, will get 151. Then summation z square is will get 30. Now after finding this, find sigma x square, that is what, summation x square by n minus x bar whole square. We will get 11 minus 9, that is 2. Similarly, sigma y square, how to find, summation y square by n minus y bar whole square, will get 5.2. Now a sigma z square, that is summation z square by n minus z bar whole square, will get 2. What is r? How to find r? Sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma z square divided by 2 sigma x into sigma y. Now if you use, you will get r equal to 0.8062. Now we need to find lines of regression, right? Now how to find lines of regression of x on y? X minus x bar equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar, right? So that is x minus 3 equal to 0.8062 into here, what sigma x, right here, sigma y value, right? Then you will get the final expression in the form of x in terms of y, that is x equal to 0.433 y plus 0.505. Similarly, how to write lines of regression of y on x? Y minus y bar equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. Now you can find here only sigma x sigma y because you are finding sigma x square, right? Sigma x square sigma y square. Here only you can find square root and you can write as it is, no issue. Or else you have to write like this, root of 5.2 divided by root 2 here and x minus 3. Now simplify this, you will get 1.299. If you multiply the product with this, you will get 1.299 into x minus 3. Now y minus 5 equal to 1.2999x minus 3.897. So what is y? Minus 5, take this side, it will be plus 5. Then finally y equal to 1.299x plus 1.103. This is the final answer. Okay. Now dear students, please go through with the remaining problems from the same concept, whatever we have given in the previous slides. Just refer with that problems. Thank you.